And then look, another odd one. This one looks just a little bit too nicely placed. Hey friends, it is Joshua, the geocaching vlogger, and look, I'm in my happy place. I'm in my happy season of the year and my happy time of the month because today I am unboxing the September 2020 Cache Crate. If you don't know what the Cache Crate is, it is a subscription box. Every month, Lisa from Cache Advance packs up geocaching goodies. Things she knows that geocachers love, and she puts them in a box and sends them right to my home. So I'm gonna open this today, but guess what? Not only that, but Lisa has started another subscription service called Geocaching Tees. And so in here is the very first t-shirt of her geocaching t-shirt subscription service. So we got a double bonus video. Everything is beautiful about today. I'm outside too, and which means there's geocaches all around me. So maybe, just maybe, I can use some of this stuff while out geocaching, or even maybe I can put on this shirt. I've not seen anything in here. I'm gonna be just as surprised as you are, unless you already get to the Cache Crate. So here we go. First of all, the presentation, the awesome box. It looks like a real crate. Here we go. Ooh, what is this? Oh yes. I love when the Cache Crate provides geocaching containers, and we got a hide key. So a couple awesome things about it that make it a good geocaching container. This hide key, it's waterproof. It says here it has a metal plate with 3M UHB adhesive, attaches to box and attaches to most surfaces. This looks like an awesome geocaching container. Waterproof, magnetic, and it sticks to almost anything. Yes. All right, the next item, you know, often when I get these items, I don't even know what they are, and I don't even realize that I need them. But this is called Cinchalot. This is a Cinchalot mini stretch strap. The picture has the AirPods container strapped to your keys. You can hang, you could like hang a geocache from this. See, it's like this, and then you can cinch it. You can cinch it as tight as you want it. So my AirPods container could be a geocache. I can just put this on my keys so I don't lose this. Stay organized or use it for a cache. It is the Cinchalot. All right, these are pretty useful. We have a dual carabiner. Like here on the picture, you can attach your water bottle to your backpack or a belt loop. Carabiners. Carabiners can be very useful for a lot of things. For hiking, for geocaching, you can hang geocaches from them as well. It's cool though. I've never seen a carabiner that has a it's double-sided. Super cool. Oh my gosh, another thing I've never seen before. This is a zip lit. It looks like this is a zipper pull, but not only a zipper pull, but check this out. At night, you guys, it lights up. And also this is water resistant too, so you can wear it in the rain. Zip lit, a very cool idea, especially for night caching. And then I always get the add-on trackable, and the add-on trackable is a groundhog cashkin. I've never seen this one yet. Seen the groundhog Phil? This one would have been perfect for February too, for Groundhog's Day. I might need to activate this today and put it in a cache after I've opened my geocaching t-shirt. And then the final thing, I got my September bingo sticker to add to my bingo card. Next thing is to unenvelope my very first Geocaching Tee subscription t-shirt. Without further ado, here we go. Oh yeah. Oh, okay. Awesome. Look at what color we got here. We got a nice green. Got a couple of cool things. I got a Geocaching Tee sticker. I will put that on my luggage because that's where I put all my geocaching stickers. And I also got a Geocaching Tees like keychain thing. I just put it all together. I'm gonna send this out with my trackable. Perfect. Lisa included a little piece of paper here, and it says, "Welcome to the Geocaching Tees Club. Thank you for being a charter member. We are seriously pumped to deliver awesome tees with unique geocaching designs to you every month. Thanks for helping us support Leave No Trace. Geocaching Tees has donated 10% of all proceeds to Leave No Trace nonprofit." Fantastic. It is kind of a, I'd say a greenish, like an aqua greenish shirt. This one says Geocaching Tees, and it says charter member. There's even a 1 on there. Must mean the first shirt out of them. All right, and I'm noticing it's very soft. All right, this one is 100% cotton. It seems to be very soft. All right, let's try it on. This is how I try on all my shirts, by the way. Ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Boom! All right. What do you think? I like it. I think I like the color. I like that the design is simple, but the main thing, it's super soft. I like it. I like it. There you have it, the very first geocaching tees and the cache crate for the month of September. If you're interested in the cache crate, go to cachecrate.com and you can go there. If it's open, you can sign up. Or if it's not open, you can join the waiting list. Or if you want to subscribe to Geocaching Tees, go to geocachingtees.com and you can sign up or join the waiting list. So you can get sweet t-shirts delivered every single month. And I'm gonna activate the little groundhog now, and I'm gonna put it on the Geocaching Tees keychain, and I'm gonna find a cache in this park, and I'm gonna put it in the cache. I fully activated it here in the field, and now there's geocaches. Let's go find a geocache to put this little groundhog in. The first cache I'm at is one I DNF'd a couple weeks ago, but I'm pretty sure this time, I think I know where this one is gonna be. Notice we have like odd, like stumpy things here. There's an odd one here. Another odd, like stumpy, stickier thing right here. And then look, another odd one. This one looks just a little bit too nicely placed. Yes! Oh, I love hides like this. Oh, well done. Tricky, kind of evil, but very satisfying. All right, this is a great find. I'm gonna sign the logbook, but this is a tad too small. A tad too small for my trackable. So I think I'm gonna have to find another one to put the trackable in. All right, friends, I decided to stop at a geocache that I have been to before. You have seen this geocache before. If you click up in the eye in the sky, you'll see a full video on it. But this one is a perfect place to put a trackable, and I know there's enough room. Does this look familiar to you? It is the Harry Potter Little Free Library. What a beautiful, amazing cache. I love this cache so much, and it is a perfect place for trackables because look, there's a secret door, and here is the geocache. All right, let's open it up. Maybe there's a trackable I could trade in here. I got it open. We got lots of fun little toys in here. Ooh, look at those sunglasses, pretty cute. This is like the most bling flashlight I've ever seen in my life. All right, little groundhog, it is now your turn to make it your way to Spokane, Washington, to Lisa, and reunite with her. Trackable dropped, hidden door closed. All right, guys, thanks so much for coming along. Now, go subscribe to the Cache Crate, subscribe to Geocaching Tees, and then go over here and watch another video, and I'll see you over there. I love this cache, I love it so much.